you wandered in the desert while the sands were ever changing, but the winds guide you anyway? Have you spoken in a language that you've never heard before, but your memory understands it anyway?